shut down a funnel that was making $2,000 a day. Not because it failed, because every sale felt like a performance. One that almost cost me my voice. And in this video, I'll show you why I walked away from bro marketing even when it worked. I chose story over scarcity, and it changed literally everything. Because if you're over 40, your message matters. And your truth, well, that's your strategy. I've done the one funnel away challenge, built pages, wrote the scripts, ran the timers, and it worked. $2,000 a day at its peak, but every ping felt hollow. I wasn't building a business, I was performing in someone else's play. That strategy was smart, but my soul just wasn't in it. And that misalignment, it cost more than money. It cost connection to myself and to the people I actually wanted to serve. And the product wasn't broken. Courage Before Confidence still works, and it's helped thousands of people become camera confident in only 30 days. Well, actually, some less than 30 days. And if that's where you're stuck right now, the details are in the description below. But what broke me was the pressure playbook. Funnels squeeze, they rush, they push. Even when they convert, they disconnect you from your people and yourself. Funnels are extractive. They're built to convert, but I wanted something regenerative, something human. So I replaced the funnel with a flywheel, a rhythm, a cycle fueled by story and service. And here's what surprised me the most. When I stopped pushing, people didn't disappear. They leaned in. Emails got replies. Even the comments turned into conversations. And the sales, well, guess what? They didn't slow down. They just got simpler. So let me introduce you to that flywheel so that you can use it too. I call it the 4 C's, and it starts with what I love: conscious communication. I share that through free story-driven content. You could kind of call it like warming up the audience. That content invites people into my community where we connect through shared values and not scarcity acts. From there, they're introduced to something much deeper, say my paid curriculum. And once you start seeing results, you then step into becoming a client. And if you're not ready, that's okay, because you go round the loop again to the next level of content and you move at your own pace. Every step honors alignment, not urgency. Now, I teach this in the Heart Brand Blueprint, and when I shared the flywheel model with the group, every single one of them realized, wait, that's exactly how I found you, Stephen. You see, they've lived the model. It didn't feel like a funnel, it felt like finding their people. And that's exactly why they said yes. This flywheel is literally my ikigai in motion. It's where what I love, what I'm good at, what I can be paid for, and what the world needs all meet. And then when led through story, people didn't just say yes, they felt seen. You see, when you lead with story, not strategy, you stop chasing and you start attracting. You see, storytelling isn't a tactic, it's energy, it's truth. And when you share with your heart, your message becomes literally magnetic. People stop scrolling, they start listening because they see themselves in your words. Now, I once told a story about losing my voice on stage, and I got a bunch of replies that said, Stephen, I thought I was the only one. Now, that's not marketing, that's resonance. And resonance always beats reach. Now, if you want to shift into storytelling, I want to share with you 2 prompts that work every single time. Prompt number 1, what's one moment where you felt like giving up, but you didn't? You see, that's your next video. That's resilience in motion. Now, mine was the reality of being a YouTuber over 40. It's not easy. That was the thumbnail, actually. It's just not easy. And prompt number 2 is, what belief do you hold now that the old you would have called impossible? That's the transformation. That is your heart brand. Now, mine was how I make over 60K in 9 days. It was crazy, but you know what? It's true. And that's how everybody has lent into the Heart Brand Blueprint, because they want that outcome as well. People don't want polish, they want presence. They don't need another guru reel. They want you in your garage, your journal, your first try, looking behind the scenes. Speak from alignment and you will pull the right people towards you who are already looking for someone like you. You don't need a funnel to be free. You don't need a formula to be seen. You just need your truth spoken out loud, consistently. Everything I create now, this video, the Creator Circle, the Heart Brand Blueprint course, it all moves in the same rhythm. Content, community, curriculum, and clients. It's the 4 C's. And it works because storytelling sells without shouting. It builds trust before the transaction even takes place. Connection before the conversion. So come and join us in the Heart Brand Creator Circle. And if you're ready to step forward on camera, maybe, then check out Courage Before Confidence. It's waiting for you in the description below. Actually, both the links, all the links are waiting for you. Whatever step you're on, take the next step via the description below. Now, if you want to put these 2 prompts that I've shared with you into your next videos and stand out, then you want to watch this next video here, because if you're over 40, your niche isn't out there. It's already inside you. Take care. Much love. Big Daddy out.